Hey there, beautiful people. Are you new to skincare and feel overwhelmed by all the products and advice out there? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, we're diving into a simple, easy-to-follow skincare routine for beginners. A good skincare routine is essential for healthy, glowing skin. And trust me, it's not as complicated as it seems. Let's get started with the basics: cleanse, tone, and moisturize. First up, let's talk about cleansing. Use a gentle cleanser suitable for your skin type. For example, if you have oily skin, go for a foaming cleanser. Dry skin? Opt for a cream-based cleanser. Massage the cleanser onto your face in circular motions, then rinse with lukewarm water. Pat your face dry with a clean towel. Next, we have toning. Toners help balance your skin's pH levels and remove any leftover impurities. Pour a small amount of toner onto a cotton pad and gently swipe it across your face. No need to rinse it off. Finally, our favorite step, moisturizing. Moisturizers keep your skin hydrated and soft. Choose a moisturizer that suits your skin type. Apply a small amount on your face and neck, and gently massage it in. Alright, now that we've covered the basic steps, let's move on to your morning routine. In the morning, after cleansing, toning, and moisturizing, there's one more crucial step. Sunscreen is a must, even if you're staying indoors. It protects your skin from harmful UV rays and prevents premature aging. Apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30. Don't forget to cover your neck and ears too. Moving on to the evening routine. It's similar to the morning routine but with one key difference: removing makeup. If you wear makeup, make sure you remove it before cleansing. Use a gentle makeup remover or micellar water. Removing makeup prevents clogged pores and breakouts. After that, follow the same cleanse, tone, and moisturize steps. Time for some essential tips to elevate your skincare game. First, stay consistent. Skincare is a marathon, not a sprint. You won't see results overnight, but sticking to your routine will pay off. Next, know your skin type. Understanding whether you have oily, dry, combination, or sensitive skin helps you choose the right products. Start simple, and don't overwhelm your skin with too many products. Lastly, listen to your skin. If a product causes irritation or breakout, stop using it immediately. Everyone's skin is different, so what works for one person might not work for you. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to a simple skincare routine. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Share it with friends who might need some skincare guidance. And leave a comment below with your favorite skincare tips or questions. Don't forget to subscribe for more skincare and beauty tips. Your skin deserves the best, so start your routine today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.